What is good, everybody? It is your boy Alex, filming on TikTok. Today is the 18th. Is it 18th? Yes, the 18th of Thursday, the 18th of April, 2024. Do the math. 4/18/2024. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So I did my eating memo because I'm about to go look at my memo kind of thing, and I got Coca Cola. So here we go. We're gonna have another Coca Cola test. I know I've done a bunch of these before, but you know what? It's okay. We're doing another one. Never hurts to do more. The last time I did this was at a funeral. Last year, near the end of the year. Was it near Christmas? No. Way before Christmas. Go on my Instagram, FlashAlex2002, all one word. Check it out. It's me all dressed up. I did Coca-Cola in there before, but I don't remember what happened, when that was. You know what? I'll see it because it will come up on my For You page as a reminder, hashtag on this day. That's how I know. Genius, right? Fucking genius. How genius TikTok is. Cheers, mate. So this is Coca Cola. Now, reminds me of a video that says, say Coca Cola without your lips touching. And the person goes, oh, and she starts to laugh a little bit. She says, now say it normally. And he says, Coca Cola. And the girl says, your lips never touched, fool. Search it up. Say Coca Cola without your lips touching. You'll know exactly what I mean. It's from Nutshell Animations. I think the original poster of that was Nutshell Animations. I love that one because it's so funny, the reaction the guy has at the end. Excuse me. Sorry. Guys, today's the talent show of 2024 at Job Corps. So Job Corps talent show. Job Corps mofos, search them up. They are also on Job Corps. I believe her name is Emma. She used to be at Job Corps. I don't know if she still does that. I'll mention her in this video and see if her friends still do it or not. I miss Emma. I think she left. She left because I don't think she said the place was not the right for her. Right? Holy fuck. I can't speak. She said this was not the right place for her. I'm sorry. Wow, I can't speak today. I'm so sorry. So, what I'm going to do, what I might do, I might go to the talent show today. I might not, depending on the mood I'm in. Obviously, if I have caffeine, I'll be up till 8. But I don't have to stay up till 8. Technically, I do because I have chore. But they can wake me up. So rude to wake me up, Bryce. What the fuck? Excuse me. Oh guys, today's lunch was the best. It was pizza. I didn't have the pizza. I didn't want the pizza. The pizza was okay. from what I hear from other people, I didn't have one. But I had pasta with Alfredo sauce. Chicken Alfredo sauce. Tasted freaking amazing. And I think there'll be even more better options tomorrow. I mean, back to Coca Cola. So you guys, now all I have to do is grab a cup, fill some cold water, and drink it. Well, get the original taste out of my mouth and drink this. Excuse me. Now to freshen up our room. Smells like apple cinnamon. Automatic spray refill. Oh, this is an automatic spray. Oh shit. Essential oils, that's nice. This up to 70 days of freshness, guys. I don't know how long I bought this bad boy, but it's been probably a month, maybe a month and a half, maybe 2, since I used this. And I bought 2 of them. Anyway, we have Diet Coke, which is right here. Where are you? There you are. That is Diet Coke. See? Diet Coke. Diet Coke. It's pretty good stuff. I'm going to do that tomorrow in the morning. Hopefully before everyone wakes up. Peace. Oh, wait. One more thing. So, make sure to follow me on TikTok. I have 187, maybe 189 now. I'm not sure. I don't care. But over 180 followers now, which is great. So make sure to support me. Follow me if you want more taste tests. Comment on the side what drinks you guys want me to do next. I'll gladly get them. No alcohol. I know a couple people are asking me to do alcohol. No alcohol. Because I don't know what it does to me. I don't want to try it. I hate alcohol, by the way. It tastes terrible. I can have a sip of beer, but like maybe 3 sips, and that's it for me. It tastes horrible for me. I hate it. I'm not going to drink alcohol in my life. I know it's an acquired taste, but it's really not an acquired taste. It's a fucking taste bud killer. I hate it. Peace, guys.